Hello Python programmers, this is Eki. So in this video I'm going to teach you about how to create a Discord bot using Python in 12 lines of Python code. So before we start this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will help me to motivate and it will bring you more new videos in Python and data science. So if you guys don't know about what the Discord application is, so here is my explanation. The Discord is a kind of community development application. By using the Discord application, the YouTubers and other social media influencers try to develop their own community strength, and they also use this for greater interaction with other followers. Generally, it works like a chat application. In this application, the followers try to interact with other followers and sometimes the administrator too. The special thing about the Discord application is when your server reaches some amount of members, as an administrator, you won't manage the big numbers. In this case, there will be a high chance of misleading contents would be shared by someone. So for maintaining your server clean, the Discord offers some bot services to manage those activities. There are a lot of bot services out there, each have some different abilities and purposes. Suppose you have one server, so in your server the members are sharing some spam contents to others. So as an administrator you will not able to control all the spam messages that sent by the members. So in this case you can use the Discord spam bot to control the spam messages in your server. So you may have some doubt here how it works. The Discord bots are pre-programmed one, so you can use any programming language to develop a bot. So in this video I'm going to develop a fact bot using Python. Basically my fact bot shares some cool facts in various interests. So majorly this video explains how to create a sample bot using Python. So I will show you what are the libraries required and how can we make the logics using Python. Okay, so let's get started. So before we start to type the logics, we need to focus on a Discord APIs. So first you need to create a new Discord bot application on the Discord side. Just follow my instructions carefully. So you can see this link. What you need to do is paste this link on your browser and this link will redirect you to this site. So this site is a Discord application site. So you can see here I already have two bot applications. So if you want to create a new bot, you need to click the new application that present on the top of my site. Okay, so I already have access to the facts bot. I will demonstrate how to set up everything by using my existing bot account. So now we need to set up a few things for making this bot. So you can see here there is a bot option that present in the settings menu. You need to click that first and then you will see this page shows what are the permissions that your bot actually need when it is deployed into the main server. So you need to check your bot needs. Once you're done with this, so you have to connect your bot to your server. So this is the only method you have to follow to connect your bot service into the server. Now we successfully connect our bot into our server. The rest of the things are the logic building and API integrations. So we will see about later. So before that, you need to copy the bot API token from here. So it is very important one, but it is not important now. I will give you a detailed explanation at the end of this video. So it will help you to understand this actual functionality of this token ID. Okay, so let's build the logic. So for building the logic, you need some basic libraries in Python for creating the Discord fact bot. So we need to install two libraries here. The first one is the Discord Python library and second one is the random facts or randfacts library. So there is no complexity behind the installation of these two libraries. Just use the pip command to install the library on your system. So once you install these two libraries, go to your IDE and then start typing the code. First we need to import those two libraries that we installed before. So let me explain what these two do in our code. The first one is the Discord library. It is one of the good implementation that will help you to interact with the Discord application directly through the Pythonic approach. So I think Discord is providing some API to other programming languages. So if this is true, then it is easy for other programmers to use their favorite language to create one Discord bot. Now look at their documentation. They clearly mentioned how to start using this library and their syntax explanations are too good. But if you don't want to waste the time on reading the documentation, I will take care of reading documentation works. You just follow my instructions in this video. At the end of this video, definitely you will be able to create your own Discord bot using the Python language. So it is very simple and user friendly code, and it is absolutely for the beginner programmers also. If any beginners who are watching this video, you can take the inspiration from here, and then you will start to develop your own Discord bot. So this is the explanation about the Discord library. Now we need to import the random facts library. So this library is a pretty simple library. It works like every time you run this piece of code, you will get a new facts from this library. So for explaining purposes, I took this random facts library as a side dish to integrate with the Discord bot. Okay. So why I did this means, at the end of this video, you will receive a quality and complete output from my side. So I can easily explain what the documentation actually contains, but it is not a way of style I like. I like to add some extra things or extra features into my every video. I just consider this is enough to explain a starter Discord video. Okay, so now let's back to the code. So once you import these two libraries, you need to create a method. For that, create a variable x and type randfacts.getFacts method. So this method will help you to initiate the facts data into this code. Now we need to create a client side for this program. So it is not that level of complex. So this piece of code tell you whether your bot is logged in or not. So it will bring you that kind of acknowledgement. So when you run this program, you will understand all the things. So don't get too confused about that now. I will tell you once we complete the entire coding process. Okay. So for printing the acknowledgement, you need to create a class called myClient and pass the parameter Discord client. So here the Discord keyword is an API wrapper, and the client keyword represents the connection between the Discord API and your code. Okay. So and then you need to type asynchronization dev font ready. So it is basically a function. It will tell you whether your bot is actually logged in or logged out. So here I write one step that clearly acknowledge once the bot is logged in into the Discord application. So if the bot is logged in successfully, it will print the message like logged as with client name. Okay. So now we successfully completed the first step. Now we need to focus on the second logic, that is how to feed the content into the bot. So you have to write the same thing that you did before. You need to give two parameters that are self and rfact. So rfact is nothing but a default variable. You can name whatever variable you want. Here I named as rfact, that means the random fact, that will be used to store the random facts that will be generated by the random facts library. Okay. So next I just wrote the logic here. The logic explains that the user of our bot give the command $fact, then our bot will recognize that command and it will send the random facts to the Discord server. So this is the logic that I wrote here. Normally if you are using any Discord bots, there are some pre-programmed commands would be present. So by using that pre-programmed commands, you can easily interact with the bots in your server. So I actually forgot one thing, that is you have to copy the bot token that is present in the Discord website. So I already told you before, this token is a unique one. By using this token, the program recognizes your bot. You must need this token to access your bot. So that's all about the code, and let's run this program and we will see how the bot actually works in our Discord application. You can see here our bot works fine and it easily recognizes our command $fact and it responds back as quick as possible. So this is a starter video in Discord. You can expect more videos from my side regarding the Discord subject. So that's all about this video. See you on next another video. Until then, bye from AK.